Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be unboxing today my new motorcycle lift stand from Venom. It's going to lift up the end of the bike. This way maintenance is going to be easier. So let's unbox this. Honestly, build quality is really good. Everything is really well packaged. Instruction manual. Oh, and what seems to be like a keychain. All right. Just to give you a little background here on why I've got this stand. I was looking everywhere on the internet to find something good but cheap. I really didn't feel like buying something that would cost like 250 bucks. I'm really only going to be using it when I do maintenance on my bike, so I don't need something that's super performant. So I found this on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description. In Canadian dollars, we're talking about $80 plus tax. So US would be even less. So I think it's a pretty good deal. And right now, just touching everything, you really feels good. Packaging was great. I noticed here, maybe important, they say that please note minor scratches may be present. So each stand are tested before they ship. So they actually put them all together. And I don't know if you guys are going to see well here. I can try to zoom in, but light is not good. As you can see here, that's the case. But I mean, it's a motorcycle stand. You're going to use this in your garage for maintenance, so scratches aren't a big deal. And this part here will go into that part. All right, so let's assemble this. You're going to need basic pliers. I've got this model here, but seriously, anything could do. And I've got a ratchet with a 6mm Allen key. It's only going to torque easier, but I mean, you could have just the Allen key and that would be fine. All right. So as you can see here, they've got the sticker for the right side. So just fine. There you have it too. So normally right side would be like that. So this would be left. After that, you've got two washers, one on each side. Just make sure. There you go. Washer and then the nut. Going to do the same thing on the other side. No need to torque that too much. Just make sure it's enough. All right, this looks good. We'll flip this. All right, so once your stand is flipped and well assembled, you're going to take your brackets here. So I don't know if you can see well here, but these brackets, they have a flat side. So this side here is going to be what goes against the bolt that is on the other side here. So just going to slide them in like that. And that's the amount of adjustment that you've got, which is, I think, plenty. So this bolt here is going to be what you adjust. So let it loose. Or so once you figure out what's good for your bike, you just go ahead and you torque it a little bit more so it doesn't get loose. So we'll do the other side here. And there you have it. So lastly, we've got these spools, which are going to be installed on the bike. It says on it, CNC machined, Yamaha spool black. Pretty basic, no branding, which I like. Um, so I mean, just bolt this, the back of your bike, and you're done. Hey guys, so here we are in the garage. Sorry if the sound is a little less clear. I just wanted to let you know that's something I really like. They put this rubber here. At first, I wasn't really sure what it was, but when we're putting the stand in an upright position like this, you see you're just not damaging any of the metal here. So it's just laying there on this kind of rubber thing. So now we're simply gonna install the spools. So I've got my Allen key here on my screwdriver. So nothing too complicated. Just gonna go here. There you go. That's pretty tight. So just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Here it is. So I must say, um, I'm pretty surprised. It's it's a really good stand. Seriously, for the price, I could say I guess it's the cheapest, but the best cheapest there is out there. Um, Let me just show you. I don't know how you guys are gonna see this on the video, but let me put this down. So right now, I'm shaking the bike like pretty roughly, and seriously, nothing moves, nothing at all. So pretty happy. When you look at it from here, pretty straight. Yeah, so that's it. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.